Okay, now we're going to expose our screen with our exposure unit. When you start, you want to make sure you turn the power on, and you want to let it warm up for about 5 minutes. You also want to make sure that this glass is clean. A lot of ways, easy ways to do that, use the glass cleaner, spray it off, and wipe it down. Any dirt or dust that might be on here could cause problems with exposing your screen as well. You can lift this up and you can clean off the bottom too. Be careful though when you're cleaning off underneath this, it is completely dry before you put your screen in here. Because if you have any moisture or leftover glass cleaner that's wet on here, when you put that on top of your emulsion, that moisture will start to break down your emulsion before it's cured, and it might actually make it removed from your screen. So make sure that this is completely dry on here before you start. So once this has been started up and it's been running for about 5 minutes, you're going to take your screen with your transparency that you have on here, and you're going to put that screen inside your exposure unit. Close this and lock this in place. The lock works this way, so by bringing this up, holding that in place, and then pushing this down, then it's locked. You need to run the vacuum next. It's right here. Notice as it's starting to bring that screen up, and it's basically holding that transparency right up to that. So you'll know that it's on there when this stops moving. Next, you want to put the exposure time, which is right here as well, which is 200. Notice the decimal point. Once that's set and ready to go, it's been vacuumed, hit S to start. And we're going to let this run until it goes down to 0, and it will stop then. We'll come back to this when it's done exposing.